Alright, so we're just going to show you our rate of fire test. My gun is not fully charged. We didn't have time to charge it before this video. But, hopefully it's halfway charged. His is about full.
Yeah, it's about full, but we did 2 battles earlier, which you can
Look up on our channel.
Let's just get started with it.
Alright, here is my Dboys M4 on semi-automatic. And let me turn my scope on. Alright, here we go. Okay, now full auto. Here we go. Got a pretty good rate of fire. It's not completely charged though. Alright, and I'm out. So he's going to show you his rate of fire with his Echo 1P90.
Okay, this is my Echo 1P90. I'm only using a mid cap. Let me go ahead and turn my scope on, and I will do semi. Do some full auto.
As you can see, his gun has a better rate of fire than mine. Mine's not completely charged.
Oh, and by the way, we are both using 9.6s.
Yes. Yeah, mine's pretty well dead. So, alright. Thanks, guys.